Hey students, welcome to trimester 3. We've made it this far, and this little presentation is just going to go over kind of what to expect for Tri-3 distance learning. So make sure that you check yourself into the hub to mark yourself present. It's important that you still have your attendance taken each day when you come to school. And then if you want to hear your teachers explain the content for each day, you're going to want to log into your sync meets at the start of each class. And that way you can listen to your teachers in each of your sections explain what you're going to be doing that day or that week. In general, in our class, to keep up to date, if you complete at least one assignment for class each day, you will not fall behind in biology, and so you'll be able to stay ahead of the work and you won't have any missing assignments. And then there is going to be a sync meet for each hour on Wednesdays or Thursdays after school. And so you can visit your sync meets after school. We have hours 1 and 3 on Wednesday, and then hour 2 will meet on Thursday. And that's where you can drop by if you've got any questions. To be successful this trimester, of course, always check Canvas at the start of each week, and that will let you know how many assignments you need to complete. In Canvas, there's the week at a glance schedule, and so that kind of gives you a pacing guide so you know how much you need to get done each day in order to stay caught up. As a general rule, completing one assignment per day is a great way to make sure that you don't fall behind. And then if you've got questions, again, you can always attend a sync meet on Wednesday or Thursday to connect with your teacher. You can also always ask questions in Google Chat or in your email, and that way your teachers can communicate with you directly. Wednesdays and Thursdays are when the sync meets happen that are specifically for our distance learning students. So again, on Wednesday, you have hours 2, 4, and 6 meeting. So if you're in second hour, come at 1:05. And then on Thursday, you can meet with hours 1, 3, and 5. So we'll meet at 1:05 for first hour and 1:40 for third hour. And that way you can ask specific questions. Your teachers will be available for questions during the week, even when it's not Wednesday or Thursday for your sync meets. So if you want to drop in and have your teacher answer some questions for you on Monday, Tuesday, or Friday, you can stop by first hour at 7:50, stop by second hour at 8:35, stop by third hour at 9:20, fourth hour at 10:05. Fifth hour starts at 10:50, and it also includes time for lunch, so you can take a nice long break. And then sixth hour starts at 12:55. So any of those times are good times to check in with your teachers. And then, of course, you can still drop in on the synchronous meet days on Wednesday and Thursday.